Hey everyone, I'm David, a beauty director at Sephora.
And I'm Morgan, a social media manager at Sephora. We're talking about the April Playbox, and this month's theme is winning beauty.
Yay!
We are going to be upping our beauty game, talking about must-have makeup, comforting skincare, and nurturing hair care. Now, we want to make sure to send you the products that fit you best, so go ahead and update your Play profile online and tell us a little bit about yourself.
And as always, guys, there are multiple versions of each box every month, so you're not going to get everything that you see in this video, but you will be getting a great assortment according to that Play profile that you fill out. And of course, each month you are getting your Play Pass. Now, this is good for an additional 50 Beauty Insider points with a purchase in-store or online. Just use the code on the back of the pass at checkout online. Now that we've got all of that covered, I think it's time to jump into the fun part. Let's talk about some makeup.
Let's do it. Happy to be back.
Love. Okay, so first up, we have from Laura Mercier. This is the Foundation Primer in Radiance. This is a beautiful, creamy gel primer. It's fantastic for prepping your skin before makeup. Creates that beautiful, smooth surface so that your foundation lays on beautifully, locks it in place. Also, really good for every skin type.
Yes.
So even though it's a Radiance, it is a gel formula, so it's not gonna add any extra oil or anything to the skin. And it has this gorgeous radiance to it, which I just think is so beautiful. And you can see it here, but you can also see it. Morgan is wearing it right now, and we have it underneath her foundation. So you get that beautiful lit from within look on her, and it's so beautiful. So up next is from Makeup Forever. This is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer in Smoothing Primer. This is an exclusive product to Sephora. It's a great lightweight primer that really smooths down the texture of skin. It creates that flawless complexion base, so your foundation goes on so perfect. It's a little bit hydrating as well, which is really nice because it creates a little plump to the skin and it locks your makeup in place, which of course is what we want from our primers.
So next from Makeup Forever, we have their Step 1 Skin Equalizer in Mattifying Primer. So kind of like what you were just saying, this is just a different version. It's a hydrating primer, but this is great if you want a matte finish or if you have oily skin. So sometimes I'll even just use this in my T-zone where I tend to get oily, but if I want a full matte look, I'll use it all over.
Okay, so up next from Urban Decay, we have the Perversion Mascara in black. This is a great creamy formula, and when you combine it with this brush shape, it really allows the formula to go on smooth without clumping, but you do get that volume instantly. Also with this, you are getting that ultra black color known in the Urban Decay Perversion collection, which is great if you want your lashes to really stand out. And there's also incredible ingredients in here for nourishing your lashes. So that's just an added side benefit.
So next from Clinique, we have the High Impact Mascara in black. Now this is another richly pigmented formula, which is awesome. This lengthens, volumizes, and defines lashes. And it's really buildable, so you can go for a more natural look or full bold look.
Yes.
So next from IT Cosmetics, we have the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. This formula is made with nurturing ingredients like biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants. The shade actually works for all hair colors, and it has this shape that mimics your hair stroke.
Yes.
So as you apply, for a softer color, you apply lightly, and then as you apply a little bit more pressure, it goes for a darker shade.
It's great. It's so innovative.
And it also has a built-in spoolie brush, so you can just fluff out your brows when you're done.
So up next from Sephora collection, we have the Triple Action Cleansing Water. This is a really great no rinse, soap-free cleanser that removes dirt, impurity, makeup. It uses micellar, which are basically like little magnets that attach to all that dirt, debris, makeup. There's a really cool ingredient in here called Hydrocen Plus, which is a plant-derived ingredient, and it leaves your skin feeling refreshed, nourished, and hydrated. So you not only remove all those impurities, but your skin looks great afterwards as well.
So let's talk about some skincare.
Let's do it.
So this is Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream, and this is exclusive to Sephora. This is a hydrating and calming cream that's going to help soothe irritated or stressed skin with a bunch of natural ingredients with adaptogenic herbs and mushrooms like ashwagandha, rhodiola, reishi, and holy basil.
So next up is from Pharmacy, and this is the Honeymoon Glow. This is the AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So it's a big name, but it tells you a lot of what's in here. So there's a great blend of acids in here. You have some AHAs, some BHAs, glycolic, citric, as well as those gentle flower acids. So that's a really great way to resurface the skin, exfoliate it down, so you can reduce the appearance of pores, fine lines, uneven skin tone, dullness of the skin. And then you add in that hydrating honey, you just can really wake up and your skin's gonna look really refreshed.
So next from Glam Glow, we have Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. So this is a passion fruit infused cream that also has hyaluronic acid that's going to really help retain the moisture. But it also has an amazing blend of acids like AHA, BHA, PHA that's going to gently exfoliate, and it'll leave your skin soft and glowing.
Up next from Fresh, this is the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Translucent. This is a clear lip balm. It's going to provide your lips with 24 hours of moisture, which is really helpful. There's some sea fennel in here, which is really good at improving the appearance of fine lines on the lips, as well as an orange extract, which helps to protect your lips. So you get that nice hydration as well as a good layer of protection. So this is also really good because it's clear underneath your favorite matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, just so that your lips have that nice plumping volume to them and they look hydrated all day.
So we also have from Fresh the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Dream. Now this is a beautiful soft pink, and just like you were saying, it helps retain that moisture, fill in the lines, give you some volume. This is beautiful under lipstick or alone. You can see it has a very nice soft flush.
Subtle, but
very
really
subtle.
pretty.
This is a beautiful formula that'll keep your lips hydrated all day. So next from Clinique, we have Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is a fast-absorbing daily moisturizer that has been around forever. It's a tried and true favorite. This also has a beautiful texture. It's really silky. It helps strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and it leaves a nice finish.
So next up, also from Clinique, we have the Pep Start Eye Cream. This is a fantastic lightweight eye cream that's really hydrating. It's good for depuffing, brightening. The pep is also about like peppiness, right? But it's also because there are peptides in here which help to protect your natural collagen reserves. This is really important for maintaining a youthful look over time. So this is a really great eye cream for anyone who wants to look young. So next up, from Peter Thomas Roth, we have the Cucumber Gel Mask Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. So the cucumber is really great for detoxifying the skin, getting those toxins out. And the aloe is a great way to soothe and comfort your skin. So this is a perfect mask for anyone post-irritation. Facials, waxing, if you've done some peels, maybe you've gotten a slight sunburn. This is a great mask for really soothing and comforting your skin and allowing it to heal itself.
So from Volition, we have the Tumeric Brightening Polish for face and body, and this is exclusive to Sephora. So this is a beautiful scrub. It's got crushed walnut and olive oil, so it's going to help gently exfoliate while hydrating. And this really helps even out skin tone and take away that dullness, and it's going to make you bright and glowing.
I love these types of scrubs and polishes.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's so gentle. It's not too abrasive. It just leaves that hydrated finish. So last from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare, we have the Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. This is a beautiful, lightweight formula that's going to smooth and hydrate your under eye area. It has a great combination of hyaluronic acid and Japanese green caviar algae. It's the ultimate duo for hydration.
Okay, guys, it's time for bonuses. So first up, from Clinique, we have the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Up next from Alterna Hair Care, we have the Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner.
From Christoph Robin, we have the Cleansing Volumizing Paste with Pure Rossul Clay and Rose Extracts. From Verb, we have the Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. From Sachajuan, we have the Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. So don't forget, you have your playbook in your box, and this month it's Sephora Bingo.
That's so cute.
Don't forget to use your Play Pass. You'll get 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any purchase in-store or online. Just use the code on the back. Every box comes with your play bag, which is reusable, recyclable, and perfect for traveling with. Plus, you're gonna get a fun new color every month.
And as always, don't forget to share your unboxing videos with all of us. Let us know which products you guys are most excited about this month in the comment section below. And any post you use on social media, use the hashtag #SephoraPlay so that we and everyone else get a chance to see them. And until next time, guys, have a fantastic April, and we will see you guys soon. Bye. What, you expect me to act funny on cue? I'm gonna have to start getting spanks, actually. I may need to invest in a spank for posture when I'm sitting here.
A little more energy.
Action.
Hi everyone, I'm David at Beauty Director at Sephora.
It has some, oh God. Sorry, open the wrong side. It also comes with a built-in spoolie. Mascara in black. Now this is another richly
We're stumbling over our mascaras today.
reishi, holy basil. There's so much good stuff in here that's gonna help calm your skin.
Sorry.
So much.
That was me. She said holy basil. I was like, holy moly. What went through my head when I looked at you. Sorry.
Okay, we're done.
Sorry.
Did we get it?
Everyone wave bye.
Bye.